Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Pick your notebook or app and open to a blank page. Make a physical or digital commitment. Once done, set a 5-10-minute timer and write without editing. This creates flow. Make sure to choose a simple prompt, like 3 things you're grateful for, a single goal, or a brief daily log. You'll see momentum quickly. This first step forces action and defeats perfectionism, so write a line, then another, and keep the pen moving. Once you've started, add simple structure to guide you. Date, mood, 3 priorities, then a short reflection. Vary how you record, bullets for speed, a paragraph for depth, or a quick sketch when words fail to keep practice engaging. Make sure to schedule consistency. Choose morning or evening and link journaling to an existing habit like coffee or bedtime. Over time, you'll refine prompts that matter. This organization turns random notes into useful patterns you can review and act on. To finish, always write one clear action, your next step, an idea to try, or an affirmation, so entries convert into progress. Then, once a week, skim entries to spot patterns, celebrate wins, and identify persistent blockers. If you ever feel stuck or skip days, shrink the task. Write just 1 sentence or pull a prompt from a jar. That small friction reduction resets momentum. If errors persist, change timing or medium. Flexibility keeps the practice sustainable and useful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.